Welcome back to Auto World. Today, we're diving into the refreshed 2025 Cadillac CT5, a luxury sedan that blends elegance, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance. Buckle up as we explore everything you need to know about this stunning vehicle. The 2025 Cadillac CT5 has received a bold new look, starting with its updated front fascia. The massive grille and angular LED headlights make a striking first impression. Cadillac calls this their vertical lighting signature, and it's designed to turn heads wherever you go. From the aerodynamic profile to the sculpted rear with updated taillights, the CT5 exudes sophistication. New wheel designs and an expanded color palette, including the stunning opulent blue and midnight ruby, add even more customization options. Step inside, and the CT5 greets you with a luxurious cabin. Premium materials like genuine leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum accents elevate the interior feel. But the real showstopper? The massive 33-inch curved LED display stretching across the dashboard. This high-resolution display integrates all your key functions, from navigation to entertainment, and it's powered by Cadillac's latest interface experience software. Plus, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. And for tech lovers, Cadillac's Super Cruise technology offers hands-free driving on compatible highways, making those long trips a breeze. Under the hood, the 2025 CT5 offers two impressive engine options. The standard 2.0 controlled engine is the fastest turbocharged of 7.4-cylinder, delivers a smooth and efficient ride, while the available 3.0 power-dominated twin turbocharged V6 cranks out 335 horsepower for those who crave performance. With multiple drive modes including Tour, Sport, and Snow/Ice, the CT5 adapts to your driving style and road conditions seamlessly. Cadillac didn't skimp on safety either. The 2025 CT5 comes with a full suite of advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless parking. These features, combined with Cadillac's sturdy construction, earned the CT5 top marks in safety ratings. So, how much will the 2025 Cadillac CT5 set you back? The base model starts at around $42,000, while the fully loaded trims push closer to $60,000. With its mix of luxury, tech, and performance, it's a strong contender in the mid-size luxury sedan segment. Whether you're looking for style, substance, or cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Cadillac CT5 has it all. Let us know in the comments, would you take this luxury sedan for a spin? And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Auto World reviews right here on Auto World.